Hello. This is the first in a line of informational courses centered around the usability of the McAfee ePolicy Orchestrator, or ePO, solution. We asked the community at large what you felt would be helpful and have designed this training around your feedback. In this video, we will start with a brief introduction into ePO and then dive into some of its main functions. Additional videos will cover these topics independently, so remember to subscribe for more content. Let's get started. The very first thing displayed upon login is the dashboard. This is a great way for you or your analysts to get information about your environment all in one location. This is a heavily customizable interface, and nearly any query can become a monitor. These dashboards are also unique per user account, so depending on their role in the organization, specific instances can be tailored to your admins. ePO comes with a few basic monitors and dashboard layouts. As we check in more extensions, we get access to more dashboards and queries tailored to that extension's products. Mine's a bit basic as this is a lab setup, but I would recommend coming back to the dashboards after you get used to working with ePO and leverage this feature as a window into your security environment. Similar to the dashboard, but infinitely deeper, Queries and Reports gives you the ability to use any of the McAfee queries or build your own custom. ePO comes with dozens of pre-built queries, and as we check in more extensions, we get access to those products' queries and additional reporting options. The system tree is where you'll perform the majority of your tasks in ePO. Organizing systems, managing endpoints, adding LDAP sync points, deploying products via client tasks, modifying a policy on a single system, or enforcing custom policies throughout the organization. My tree is currently empty, but we'll take care of that in later videos. Just like dashboards, and the rest of ePO for that matter, this interface is again heavily customizable, allowing you to mirror your AD structure or display custom information about your managed endpoints. Once a machine has a McAfee agent installed, it will appear here as a managed asset, and we can really start to see what ePO can do. The policy catalog is one of the most important interfaces in ePO. Primarily, this is a staging area to make and modify policies, the settings and rules that dictate how an installed product on an endpoint operates and behaves. Policies created using the policy catalog are not assigned to any groups or systems. This allows you to configure the product before it's installed, a powerful feature that can be leveraged to introduce new technologies into your environment with little to no impact. Again, as we check in more extensions, more categories and product policies will also become available. Just like the policy catalog, the client task catalog lets us stage client tasks, the installs, updates, patching, and uninstalls against the managed endpoints. In exactly the same fashion, we can preemptively create our tasks before using them. We can utilize other methods for one-offs or quick deployments, but this is the best practice method for organizing your client tasks. The server task log is an internal log of actions performed by the ePO server itself. Things like repository pulls or extension check-ins, and even things like agent deployments can be seen here. You can drill into the tasks and even monitor live tasks from this view. The master repository houses all the client-side packages and content for the managed endpoints. Things like the agent deployment file or the endpoint security suite installers, and content files like the DAT file for virus scan are all stored here. Products can be manually checked in and removed here as well as sorted into working paths known as branches. Again, anything located here can be deployed into your environment via client tasks. The software catalog is a powerful feature streamlining the check-in process. It allows you to check in both packages and extensions from a single interface. All of the products you have licensed will be displayed as well as evaluation products for your own demo and testing. Similarly to the other catalogs, when checking in products, extensions, or bundles of both, extensions will install and products will be checked into the master repository, but ePO will not automatically deploy products to the environment. The extension interface provides a list of the currently installed extensions and their statuses. Additionally, it allows us to manually check in a new extension or remove unused ones. Extensions are incredibly important and are exclusive to ePO. They provide ePO with the information on how to manage and communicate with a particular endpoint product. Extensions add and control all of the additional menus, policies, queries, and product-specific options in ePO. Without the extensions, these assets are not available. This concludes the introduction to ePolicy Orchestrator. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more content.